Hi, good morning, students. This is your science master. I'm very pleased to introduce the new topic for 8th standard, that is chapter number 1, crop production and management. By this video, you'll be able to learn about the definition of agriculture, agricultural practices in India, and definition of crop and examples of crops and types of crops and list of basic practices of crop production. Agriculture in India. So you all know that the India is the land of farmer and land of agriculture. So farmers are termed as the backbone of India. About 60% of the Indian people are involved in agricultural practices. Not only they are doing only in the fields, but they are manufacturers, okay, equipments and other things and marketing. So all put together, about 60% of the people are involved in the agricultural processes. And one more thing, the India is the second largest producer of wheat and rice, the world's major food staples. India is currently the world's second largest producer of several dry fruits, agriculture based textile, raw materials, roots and tuber crops, pulses, farmed fish, eggs, coconut, sugarcane, and numerous vegetables. And let us learn what is the meaning of agriculture, and then what is meant by agriculture. The meaning, the word agriculture is derived from Latin language, that is ager means field or land, and cultura means cultivation, means cultivating the crops or plants in the field, that is agriculture. So definition, it is a science or a practice of farming, including cultivation of the soil for growing crops and rearing of animals. For example, rearing of a sheep and rearing of the hen and rearing of the almost domestic animals for providing the food, wool, and other products is called agriculture. So let me repeat once again the definition of agriculture. It is a science or practice of farming, including cultivation of the soil for the growing of crops and the rearing of animals to provide food, wool, and other products. Okay, and let us come to understand what is the definition of crop, or we can say what is a crop. When a plant of the same kind are cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. Means we are growing the particular plant in the large scale on the same field. That is what we call is a crop. For example, crop of maize, which means that all the plants grown in the field are that of maize. And we have the different crops such as the cereals, vegetables, fruits, and etc. And let us learn the different types of the crops. Actually, in India, the crops can be classified into three types depending on the season, because the Indian climate is not same throughout the India. It differs from place to place. So that is why, depending on the climate and season, we have classified the crops into Kharif, Rabi, and Jaid. Let us understand one by one. So Kharif crops, the crop which are sown in the rainy season are called Kharif crops. Usually the crops grown during the month between June and September. For example, paddy, maize, soya, groundnut, and cotton are grown as a Kharif crops during June to September, and Rabi crops, the Rabi crops which are grown in the winter season. For example, wheat, gram, pea, mustard, and linseed seeds, etc. And beside those pulses and vegetables are grown in the summer are called Jaid crops. Let me repeat the definition of Rabi crops. The crops which are grown in the winter season are called Rabi crops, which are grown during October to March in India. Okay, and finally, the basic preparation of crop production. So that means what? If you want to grow any crop on the field, we need to prepare the soil, and the next step will be sowing and adding manure and fertilizer. Irrigation should be done, protecting from the weeds, means removing the weeds, harvesting, storage, and then marketing. So these are the steps, basic steps involved in the crop production. So by this, I am going to conclude my introduction regarding the first chapter. Thank you for watching this video, and in the next video I am going to continue the chapter number 1 in as a part B. Once again, I say thanks for watching my video. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe my